welcome to Driven It Story Time. I'm sort of thinking, do you know what? I've got a Beetle here, the bodywork's a bit shot to shit. What can I do with it? I'm going to tell you what you could do after this. Picture the scene. Sometime in the 70s in the UK, we're introducing Nova, the car that brings dreams into reality. It's basically a kit car based on a VW Beetle. Now, these were fantastic. I like kit cars. The trouble is, kit cars sort of do sometimes get a bit of a bad rap because either they're really, really nicely well done, or people just cut some corners and you sort of go, oh, fucking hell. But anyway, the choice is yours. The most individual car in the world. Nova Cars Limited, Nova House in Huddersfield. And there's a picture of them and one next to a Jaguar. Anyway, let's see what we need, because it says here, crowd pulling, breathtaking, head turning, fast pulling. And do you know what? In some respects, they were. They were really much, when you saw them, you're like, wow. There is one that hits the circuit in Surrey in the south of England, and it's powered by an Alpha Sud engine. Absolutely lovely. And it is really, really nicely done. But as I say, you know, these were mostly always built on Volkswagens, but there's a thing here of what we need, so we're going to go through that. Aptly described as the world's finest component car, the Nova combines VW reliability, see, with advanced styling and design usually associated with cars beyond most people's dreams. Nova brings the dreams into reality by producing a car second to none at a realistic price using the finest available components. Yeah, that finest available components, usually when Beetles were absolutely beyond economical repair because the bodies, and you just threw them away and then used the chassis. Anyway, let's have a look at what we need. Body consists of a number of high-quality self-coloured glass fibre panels. Use of two directional glass roving where stress demands. This is coated with a black plastic paint. Roof assembly. Two polyester skins joined with epoxy resin to produce a rigid monocoque construction. Hinges, parallelogram, sorry, I had trouble saying that, type hinges and two Girling gas springs. Finish, colour impregnated resin, high gloss finish. Cockpit, polyester moulded interior finish. Windows, windscreen, XXX laminated glass. Oh, lovely. Side windows, rear window, headlamp covers, perspex. Front compartment contains battery and diagonally mounted spare wheel. Wheel extra. Ventilation. Fresh air drawn from body surface through water separator by one or two electric fans, Hillman Imp type, and into the car through large diameter polypropylene pipes and circular vents. Extraction by interior vents and sunshine roof on some models. Now, one thing you could also do with these, which we always like seeing, is when people are driving them, they'd literally pop the first part of the roof assembly, so you get lots of air in, and they always look cool. They do look cool, let's be honest. I mean, you saw one in the street and you're like, yeah, it might sound like a Volkswagen, but fuck me, is that cool. Heating, fresh, oh wow, heating, VW fresh air. Hot air blown forward through cooling system through heat exchangers. Seating, long distance type with lumbar support and head restraints. Seat belt mountings, reinforced cockpit, doesn't require special mounting points. Windscreen wiper, single blade, pantograph arm, 85-degree sweep, 2-speed, some models. Headlights, choice available, halogen available at extra cost. Wheels, aluminium and magnesium composition, 7x14 4-bolt, 5 to 4-bolt adapters available at extra cost. Tyres, 205x14x70 and HR radials. Exhaust system, 2 independent trombone type exhaust system and silencers to fit VW type 1, 2 and 3. Oh, so the type 1, okay. So here they are talking about the 1, the Beetle, the 2, the bus, and 3, the square back variant, fastback and all that stuff. Ooh, lovely. Colours, most colours available. No, they've just mentioned about the finish. Yeah, colour impregnated resin, high gloss finish. But colours, most colours available. It's a kit car, let's be honest with you. You paint it whatever colour you bloody like. Dimensions, luggage compartment, 7 cubic foot, approx. Ground clearance, 6 to 7 inches, approx. Tools required, basic toolkit, metric socket set, piston drill, screwdrivers, etc. There we go. Weight distribution, front 40%, rear 60%, approx, using spare wheel and basic engines with petrol tank half full. Curbside weight, 14 CWT, approx, depending on engine and general specification. Electrics, 12 volt standard VW loom with additional earth wires. Battery, VW small, 12 volt. Oh, now, so that's talking about the 12 volt. Now, do you know what 12 volts come into these things? 68? So this brochure is very much a 70s brochure, but because, yeah, they're talking about that sort of Beetle. You probably could actually get it with 6 volt. You'd want to upgrade it. Ooh, wow, now, hang on. Engine cooling. Cool air drawn through body surface by centrifugal fan. 2200 engines require large additional oil cooler. We can supply the necessary ducting for this at extra cost. Body mounting points. Yes, see, the engine cooling, but, what? Yeah, right. What's the 2200? Is that a straight 6 from a land crab and a princess? Wow. So I've never heard these with anything other than a Beetle engine or that Alpha Sud. But there we go. Anyway, here we go. Body mounting points. All original chassis mounts, based from a Beetle. Now, mechanical parts required. Volkswagen Type 1, 67 onwards. Beetle rolling chassis, steering column, petrol tank, 9-gallon, top filler, braking system. Oh, top filler, so it's the same as what I've got on Douglas. Suspension, standard VW with reset torsion bars. We recommend you use comp shock absorbers. Braking system, preferably tandem type, front discs and rear drums, e.g. 1969 1500cc Beetle. Engines. Volkswagen 4-cylinder. Oh, Porsche. They've spelt Porsche wrong. Porsch. Porsche and Auto Caravan. Transmission, Volkswagen 4-speed. For best results, later Type 3s. Yes, because they were slightly longer legs. But the engines, yeah. So where does this 2200 come from? I don't know. And then we turn it, it's plain. So it's just a fold out brochure really. But yeah, there we go. You got a Volkswagen, body's fallen to bits, got a chassis, turn it into a kit car. Anyway, there you go, take care. See you soon.